So we'll start with the basic homepage screen first. Now, the best part of Upstox Pro is that you don't need to actually log in into this application. Just tap on the icon of Upstox Pro from your mobile, and this is the default screen you will be looking at once you log in into the application. Now, the point here is that you look at all these scripts within Nifty 50, which is basically the default watch list. You can create your own, but just before that, we want to just go ahead and check out the specific detail of a script. In this case, let's say we are checking at 3i Infotech Limited. We're looking at the basic chart, specific details on the data, volume, 52-week high, low. So all kinds of details are present. At the same time, today's OHLC, open, high, low, close prices are displayed in front of you. Now you can always go ahead and just rotate this screen. Now once you do that, here you can play around with the different types of frequency. Now this is 15 minutes. You can improve that to, let's say, 1 minute for intraday level traders. Now since we are recording this video post the market hours, this is the way it's gonna get displayed. If you put it with 1 hour, then you can also go ahead and do it for a month level at max. So this is how you play with the frequency of the charts. You can use the drawing tools, you can use the different types of charts as well. There is a candle, there is bar, colored bar, line, mountain, hollow candle, baseline, delta, Heikin-Ashi, Kagi. Then we have line break, point and figure, range bars, and Renko. So we have at least 10 to 12 different types of charts. You just need to tap on the kind of chart you're looking at. For example, I've tapped on Heikin-Ashi, and once you do that, the overall chart display gets changed. I can go back to candle chart, and that is the way it's gonna display. It all comes down to the point on your preference on the kind of charting you want to look at, and based on that it's gonna get displayed. So this is how you look at different charts. Now we go back to the overall watch list we have been looking at, and you can create your own like we mentioned at the very start. By doing that, you need to just name the watch list. Let's say I'm looking at banking stocks, so I'm gonna write banking watch list for my preference here. Click on done. Once you do that, you need to add some stocks. I'm gonna add few of them. Let's say I'm gonna add ICICI, I'm gonna add HDFC, I'm gonna add Access as well. Sorry for the typo. Access, really sorry again. Once you do that, now you go back to your watch list, you will be able to see all those different scripts in this particular customized watch list for you. Now we have different other options. You can look at your order history that can tell you the specific order value, the status of the order, the monetary position of the order. Then there is position log. You can check the balance. You can do other things here as well. Now you can look at different indices right at front of you. Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty 500, all kinds of options are available. You can set up some price alerts if you want to. Let's say if I want to set a price alert on Infosys. Now I need to just type Infosys here. Now it's currently traded at 1138.2 rupees. I want to see once it reaches a price of 1120, this is where I'm gonna buy it. So I set it there, and I say less than or equal to. So if goes less than 1120 or is equal to 1120, then I would be interested. I want the app to notify me once that happens. So these are different price alerts that I have set. You can do it as per your preference. You will get notifications from this application on a regular basis. At the same time, you can invest in mutual funds. When you tap on this, it's not part of the application. They will redirect to a specific web link of Upstox. They do not have this inbuilt yet, but you can certainly invest in mutual funds from this particular application. So these were different sort of features available in this Upstox Pro mobile application. That was the idea of giving you a basic demo of how to use Upstox Pro as a mobile trading application. Speed wise it's good, performance wise it's good. A number of features can be improved. So if you're a beginner level or an intermediate level trader or an investor, then it should be fine. But if you are an expert level trader, this is where you're gonna hit a wall very soon as far as the number of features are concerned. If you're living in a smaller city, you might face some performance related issues, especially if you're using your own internet connection of the phone, of the network. I'm using a Wi-Fi, so I have not really faced any concern. But if you're living in a smaller city or you're using a low internet bandwidth connection, you might actually face some. Charting or analysis is not a problem. They've got an exhaustive list of features there. Now you have to see what you want, and based on that you can make a choice. So that's it for the review here.